Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. I thought I would come in here, make a quick video. Just got off of work and I am tired. Whew. A lot has been transpiring. Things are speeding up in regards to where the evil, wicked cabal wants to take us. And it is quite evident that they are not going to give up on this pursuit of the Great Reset and getting us to that place where we would own nothing and be happy. Well, I was pondering that, that whole little statement. And it dawned on me that if these people would pass that law where you could be taxed for unrealized gains, you would essentially be taxed out of your home. I bought my home, it's been 2 years now, and it has already accrued probably $100,000 in equity. Can you imagine me being taxed on that? See, people like me, middle class, lower middle class, that's worked hard to achieve what they call the American dream, these people, to get to their agenda, they don't care about hurting us. And what can we do? We can do nothing, And it's so disheartening to be put in that position. And I can understand why so many people, during COVID committed suicide, because these people worked so hard, to save the money, to build their businesses, and then to have it wiped out, for a pandemic. Well, my friends, the information war wages on. Zelensky continued to make his rounds, as they would like to have us to believe that Russia is committing war crimes. But they do not want to address the Azov battalion and what those neo-Nazis are doing to the people. It's so much false information. But the people are awake now, and they cannot be put back to sleep. We have to continue to reject the truth. See, they are so hell-bent on dividing us, and they had gotten so extreme to now they are uniting us. They are uniting us on this economic issue because everybody hurts in the same way. We can't pay our bills, we can't feed our families, and so we are united. I just saw a headline the other day where Democratic voters are leaving in droves. I am glad they are waking up, and it's sad that it's taken something like this to get them to wake up. But maybe this was God's plan, because they wouldn't have seen it any other way. It's usually when something hits you where it hurts, then you wake up. When you watch two boxers and then one gets that hello punch, and they get back on top of their game. Yeah, that's what's going on right now in society. All these people that ran out and voted Democrat, not because of their policies, but because they fell for all the propaganda to hate Trump, that Trump is a racist, and on and so forth. And now, everything that Trump has said is coming true. Where they wanted us to believe it was lies and Russian disinformation, didn't want to mention the laptop, it is all being exposed. And now, Hunter Biden is under investigation. They got a grand jury in place. And somebody was also mentioning Mitt Romney. Mitt Romney had voted against Ketanji Jackson Brown over a year ago. And now all of a sudden he's going to give his vote for her to be put in as a Supreme Court justice. I think the line is drawn. Maybe Mitt Romney has some skeleton bones in his closet in regards to little children. So they trying to get that judge in place to get that lighter sentence. So their crimes will be looked at as not as heinous and evil and wicked as it is, because they will have a sympathizer on the court. So now we see what it is. All these sick people, like at Disney. Anybody that want to be around kids like that, I mean, I read a book maybe, I don't know, 15 years ago in regards to Disney and how many pedophiles work at, these amusement parks. And now it's all coming out. And the things they tried to sweep under the rug are being exposed. Just like they were saying on one of these cruise ships. One of the employees had took a 13-year-old girl and had her hidden in one of these vacant cabins and was molesting her. And they quietly sent him back to his country. No, that's not going down anymore. Crimes against humanity, justice must be brought for these people. Just like Jesus said, not to touch one of these little ones. No, my friend. We have to continue to stay prayed up. We have to watch over our children. And if you are able to, you try to pull your children out of this system, because they are determined to, exploit them, to destroy their innocence, to introduce to them adult topics that should not be told to little children. They're trying to normalize the relationships between adults and children. You remember not long ago when I reported what California was doing, where they had that law, if it's a 10-year difference, it wouldn't be considered like rape or a pedophilia case. So if you could be 24, you can mess with a 14-year-old. See, I mentioned it last video. That's their motto. Sex before 8 or it's too late. That's just sick, my friends. We have to stay prayed up. These people are wicked. And that's how I'm going to end it. And I will see you on the next one.
Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up!